This video will show you where is find and replace in Word on Mac. To find and replace text in Microsoft Word on Mac, you can follow these steps. You can just go to here and you will see here the option replace. Click in this box and now you can easily search what you want in your Word document. And if you want to replace this word, you need to click here, click on the drop down and then click on replace. In the first box you can type what you want. For example, we will type here and as you can see in the document and is now highlighted. And if you want to replace and with other symbol, so you have to type in the next box. For example, I will type and symbol and you will see here the sentences where this word is present. If you want to replace all, you can click on replace all, or you can click on replace to replace one by one. If I click on replace, as you can see the and spelling is replaced by the symbol. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos shown on screen related to Word on Mac.